this year I'm also taking up my master's in
Oh,
clinical
wow. What are you taking up?
clinical psychology.
Oh, wow.
Bakit
Congrats.
mo naisip na mag-masters ka? You know, you're very good at what you're doing ngayon. Pero bakit mo naisip na mag-masters?
Minsan naiisip ko na parang I think as a human being, parang I can do so much more. Na parang hindi, kumbaga parang meron pang life outside of show business. And naisip ko na parang, oo, I'm an actor, but I can still put on another hat.
So you wanna do this para mag-accept ka ng clients? Or you really wanna do this professionally?
Yes, I want, it's my dream na to be able to put up like a small center to make mental health accessible to all.
Wow.
Hindi lang talaga for people na parang kaya magbayad, but then alam mo yun, sa lahat, kung kakayanin. Kasi syempre, God nga nagsabi nila, there is no health without mental health. So, yun yung heart ko from the time that I started studying psychology, when I did AcuDetox, got my certification there. So parang yun talaga yung goal, yun yung nasa heart ko, and God willing, sana yung dream na yun would turn into reality.
Wow, I'm sure it will. Dahil go-getter ka lagi mo tinatapos at sinimulan mo. Pero dun sa clinical psychology, how does that help you as an actress?
Oh, it's because parang you understand parang the motivations of your character, your intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Parang you kind of like, when you create a character, nakakapagdagdag ka ng lalim sa kanya. Kasi what's given is this, kunyari. Kaya this person, nakaharap mo. But then this person has a past. What happened there for her to turn out to be this way? So, mas mahihimay mo yun. Mas marami kang mai-inject na mga things na natutunan mo para mas mapakapal yung character, mas magkaroon siya ng layer. So that way, mas nagiging human siya.
Going back to your studies, kailan mo to start tong
This year.
Ilang years siya?
2 years, 27 months, including yung practical.
Pero Judy, ang sipag mo. Ang sipag mo. Parang, alam mo yun, ang dami mo nang ginagawa. Pero ito pa rin, studies pa rin talaga. Ang priority.
I think, paano ba? Nag-enjoy kasi ako. For some weird reason, yung I enjoy the feeling of being
A student.
in a class. Gusto ko yung, di ba? Gusto ko yung student ako na nakaupo ako na nakaka-learn ako ng mga bagong things. Parang that sparks joy in my heart. I mean, it fascinates me. Para akong pag may nalalaman akong bago, natututunan akong bago, kinikilig ako.
So, hindi siya stressful for you?
Ang school? Hindi.